Hey guys, we just got to the Brevard Museum. They are closed today, unfortunately, but there is this super cool trail that we're on. I'm with Matt, my mans. We're just walking around trying to discover what is going on. We've never been here before, so figured we'll take you with us, see what it's all about. Oh my god, guys. All right, which way? Let's go this way. Left. All right, we chose left, guys.
Leads to a swamp.
Leads to a swamp. Okay, period. Lead the way, babe. I'm a little scared. If there's an alligator, you go first. Okay, we're going on the dock. Thanks. I'm not dressed to go down the dirt path that way. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. It's so pretty outside. I love this. This is so cute. Maybe I shouldn't put my phone so far off the dock. What if it falls? Maybe I should like work out or something. This selfie stick is heavy. I hope this is a good angle of me, guys. At this point, I'm just enjoying nature. Oh, look. I don't know if you guys can see down here, but there is a water bottle. First animal of the day. That was so embarrassing.
What?
The way I was holding my water bottle. Oh my gosh. I have some of these at my house. Well, at my grandparents' house. I'm surprised there's not a lot right now. Holy shit, I almost dropped you guys. Are you okay? They grow like wildfire. Anyway, they're super easy to grow. I got some clippings from like, I don't know, flea market or something. Yeah, this is like super pretty. Hope we don't get lost. Look, we found a shell.
Something, a wave.
So cute. Oh my god, I almost dropped you guys again. Listen, you guys have to stop falling. I can't keep catching you like this. Is this the college? It is. It's the college. I don't know. I feel like this is not the path. I mean, maybe, but I definitely feel like I'm not supposed to be here.
No.
I hear people at the college. So now low-key I feel like a little bit like we're not supposed to be here, but also there's a path again, so I really don't know. I couldn't tell you for sure. I don't know, this feels like a road.
Well, like a bike.
A bike path, yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so swole after this. This selfie stick is really heavy.
Jump through the tree.
Watch out, guys. Oh yeah, let's go down this path. Yeah. The road less traveled. Where are we?
Oh, we're on the other side of the building.
Oh, okay, period. I am not recording myself. Breaking the law. Hopefully he doesn't get lost, because then if he calls me, it's gonna really fuck up the vlog. Oh guys, you know what I didn't do? Record an outdoor walk. That's really foul. I mean, at least my steps are being counted, so. This is where we were. Johnny Johnson Nature Trails at Clear Lake. Hope Matt doesn't get in trouble or hurt. Oh, there's Matt. So it was just a shortcut. He didn't die, guys. Don't worry. Yay! Maybe I'll come back on a Friday now that my sister's out of school, and we will come and look at the Brevard Museum. You could bring your pets here.
There's no fun.
No, but what if we brought Jerry? Insert a little clip of Jerry right here. He's a little handsome man. They have I don't know, what are they called? Cattails? Catnips?
Oh yeah, cattails.
Cattails. All right, guys, time for a clip. Do you want to be in my thumbnail? Do you want to explore the different paths? Flowers.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Dude, this is not working. All right. I broke it? Oh, I did. All right, so anyway. I don't want to go... I don't know. We could go down that path if you wanted to. I really want to go down the front path, but I kind of would also like to go straight up here. We didn't go straight up here. No, this way. We came from that way. Oh my god, my upper lip is sweating. It's freaking hot outside, guys. I wonder if people come ride like dirt bikes and stuff around here. There's the path. Okay. I'd stopped recording at this point by accident, and I didn't realize until we got way back up there. But I decided to go back that way because there's a trash can that way. Literally.
That's the swamp.
That's the swamp?
That is.
This is?
Yeah, that's where we came from last time.
No, we went that way.
That way. Came from the swamp. We went that way.
I don't know.
Okay. See, look.
Oh, is it? It is! Oh my god.
So, the swamp.
Wah, 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 wah. Guys, it's documented. First time I've ever been wrong on camera. So I guess now we just have to figure out how to get out of here, unless you want to go on that very front trail loop. We've done all.
The trash can make a love.
Babe,
What?
is there a spider on me? I just walked through a spider web. Oh, that was my flower falling. Guys, I'm still scared about the spider. That was so terrifying. I'm literally gonna pass away, I feel like.
Oh my god, I almost died! No! I almost died! That was so scary, thank you! It's okay, it's alright.
I wish we would have saw more animals. When I said I was going on a hike earlier on my live, when I was going to get ready with me, I did not mean an actual hike, guys. Well, we're going downhill now. That's pretty uphill for Florida. Don't make fun of me. All right, guys. see you later. Hope you have a great day. We love you. Be safe, drive safe, make smart choices. We'll see you in the next one.